Doctors work hard every day to review patient profiles, remember the best medications, and try to write clear prescriptions. Besides, regulators started requesting doctors to use printed prescriptions. Patients risk medication errors that cause 7,000 deaths a year. Patients cannot get the best offers from different pharmacies. Pharmacists continuously struggle to verify illegible prescriptions with doctors while trying to extend sales beyond the regular patients. Now, the GlobalERX online system connects doctors, patients, and pharmacies together. GlobalERX enables doctors to create high-quality standard prescriptions and send them electronically to the pharmacies of choice. Patients become able to receive pharmacies' offers and review their prescriptions history from their accounts. GlobalERX saves doctors time, reduces medication errors, increases access to patient medication records, and improves pharmacies' reach. The patient searches and connects with a doctor for an appointment through the system. The doctor reviews the patient profile or quickly creates a new one, uses the features-rich ERX module, selects the patient's favorite pharmacy, prints, and sends the prescription. The pharmacist can send medicines quotations to the patients, manage refill requests, and save time by filling confirmed prescriptions before the patient arrives. Let's enhance public safety. Join GlobalERX now for free.